Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I really hope my mic is actually working. This is not toothpaste, this is paint from when I bought the house. So today we're gonna go ahead and tackle this living room. So I actually have a makeup bridal trial tomorrow. I cleaned my makeup room a couple of days ago. I also cleaned my bathroom and my hallway, and today I really need to get to this living room. Now, this living room, in all honesty, is the catch-all. My daughter has a whole playroom, but she still prefers to play and make a mess of this living room every time we're home. Basically, she literally brings her toys here. So, am I embarrassed? Yes and no. Yes, because it's a hot mess, and no, because I have a almost 3-year-old that I let her play. So, let me go ahead and show you what we're working with, and let's get to cleaning. Before we get started though, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single one of you guys who takes the time to subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me, and it really helps my channel if you guys thumbs up and leave comments down below. Again, it really helps my channel grow. There's nothing worse than putting so much into a video and it gets no likes and no comments and no one's watching. So please go ahead and do that, and let's get into it. Okay, so Hot Mess Express. Our picture frame fell, so I can't put that up right now. Honestly, I still have random stuff there from taking out from our garage sale. My daughter's clothes is over there, but I'm not touching that. That we're taking upstairs. I have our breakfast there. My husband purchased a helmet and he left his stuff there. I have 2 children. Yeah, Easter basket ended up coming up from downstairs, and I guess now is housing her cars. Great, love that. Paper towels that she grabbed. That was supposed to be in the garage sale, but she ended up grabbing. I gotta break down those boxes. Wipes, sunglasses, her toys. Our pillow that's barely surviving life. This is where I usually change her diaper, which has now become a hot mess express as well. Peanuts, some diapers we don't even put on her anymore. Hi. But yeah, my iPad, coffee that I already finished for the day, and that I just brought the tripod so that I can get started. So let's get into cleaning this really big hot mess right now. Everything in me is like, let's watch Arthur, but I kind of want to rewatch Pretty Little Liars again. So I'm going to put that to be in my background noise. All right, so I'm starting out with the living room, obviously, and I'm just picking everything up. This isn't going to be a deep clean, guys. I just needed to really, get everything together, and I'm so sorry if you hear a yelling in the background. My daughter is watching Diana next to me, and I have no other time to film this voiceover other than right now. So forgive me. So as you can tell, I am going up, down, and around, putting things where they're going to go, like things back in my daughter's room, back in my room, in the kitchen, things that go downstairs in the basement with my husband's stuff, and also things that need to go upstairs. The clothes that was on that chair, I honestly ended up moving it and putting it on the stairs to go in my toddler's real room, which is her nursery that she never used. Which right now is our catch-all. That room will be fixed soon. I probably will film it because that's actually where I'm going to film majority of my travel videos, since I do have a couple of makeup events that I am going to do. So I have a wedding and a quinceañera right before we actually go to Florida. So I usually pack all of our stuff in my room, so I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna have it upstairs. So that video will be coming soon. Here I am breaking down the boxes as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that downstairs. That's just gonna stay like that for now, but at least it's clear. Again, that's your little changing station, so it's gonna stay like that. But everything else is cleaned up. I do want to do the floor, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to actually wait till the weekend so it can be nice and fresh. I'm going to take that upstairs, so I'm not going to show you that or that. But then we're going to head over to the kitchen so I could get it cleaned up a little bit again from the mess of this morning. And then I'm going to actually see if I'm going to make something for dinner. It's already 3:49, and my husband isn't home yet, so he's still working, and I kind of want to have something done already by the time he gets home, but I do have to kind of put that outside and wash those dishes and clean that up. before I start cooking. So let me go ahead and take that stuff upstairs and I'll be back. All right, so at the beginning of the week, I actually do her little trio there for snacks. And I had it there for honestly a week and a half, so I ended up having to throw the stuff that was inside away. I did have to refill it, I believe, a couple times as well, but it's okay. So here I am washing dishes, and then I did actually remember that I need to buy more dish soap, so I did that. It should actually be coming today. Last time I had to put water in it, it reminded me of my childhood. I actually hate doing that weird little side note, and so does my husband. And then I went ahead and started dinner. I did something super quick. We actually had chicken that we bought at Jewel from the day before, so I just made some pico de gallo with onions, tomatoes, and cilantro, and I put some salt in there and some bell pepper. Then I'm breaking apart the chicken. I made my daughter some quesadillas and the chicken on the side, and I made me and my husband some tacos, and obviously with cheese. But yeah, that's really, we didn't do anything crazy. I really needed to put something together quickly. And since we had chicken, I didn't want it to go to waste. Last time I actually made chicken noodle soup with it, but this time I chose to make taco quesadillas with chicken. But yeah, it's pretty simple to make. And for me, I actually ended up making 2 lettuce wraps with it. Trying to eat a little healthier. I normally eat 4 tacos, and this time I had 2 and 2. Trying to get healthy in some way, shape, or form. And obviously, you guys can tell I am here cleaning up the kitchen. Obviously, it's gonna be a hot mess after. Washing dishes is what I do all the time here in this house, and we're done. Look at that, beautiful. All right, guys, I am done. I'm exhausted. So yeah, thank you for cleaning with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave this emoji if you are still here, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.